Hello everyone, welcome to Java Codeplay. In this video, we are learning about access modifiers in Java. What are mean by access modifiers? In Java, access modifiers are essential tools that define how the members of a class are like variables, methods, even the class itself can be accessed from other parts of the program. So let me explain a real-time example for this. In Java, we have four access modifiers, that is private, public, protected, and default. Suppose let us assume that I have an Instagram account. So in this Instagram account, I am creating Instagram account with some mail ID or with some password. So the password itself the private member. Password itself the private member. And the rules and regulations which are provided by the Instagram app, that is said to be protected. That is said to be protected. Next one is if my account is public, so whatever the posts or videos I am posting in that Instagram account, so those are said to be is public access modifier. Next one is default. Default means the internal Instagram rules and whatever the settings which are explained in Instagram, how to use, how it will be, that is said to be default. So default will be everyone, it is same for everyone. What is mean by private? The private access modifier is specified using the keyword private. If we prefix a method or variable with the private keyword, it is said to be private access modifier. How it can be accessed means it is accessed only within the class which they are declared. Next one is public. The public access modifier is specified using the keyword public. If we are prefixing a variable or any method with a public keyword, it is said to be public access modifier. And it is accessible anywhere from everywhere in the program or in the package or in the class. So it doesn't have any restriction for the scope of the data members. Next one is protected. The protected access modifier is specified using the keyword called protected. If we are prefixing a data members or variables with the keyword called protected, then it is said to be protected access modifier. How it can be accessed means it is accessed within the same package or subclasses in different packages. Next one is default access modifier. If we are not prefixing a method or variable with a private or public or protected, so then it is said to be default access modifier. That is, when no access modifier is specified for a class or method or any data member, then it is said to be default access modifier. How it can be accessed means it is only accessed within the same package. Let me say an example. In this example, I am creating a class with the name person, and I have clearly declared about person details. That is public string name equal to Krishna. Here I am declaring public access modifier. Next one is protected int age equal to 22. The person age is 22. So it is I am declaring protected. So the keyword with the protected I am it is declaring. Next one is string city equal to Hyderabad. I am not declaring any keyword before the string. That is a public, protected, private. I am not declaring anything. So it is said to be default access modifier. And next one is a private string other equal to some value. Next, I am creating the methods for these variables. That is public void show name, and I am printing this with a system.out.println statement. Next one is it is a public variable, so I am declaring it as a public method. Next one is int age equal to 22. Here I have declared protected. So in this I am declaring protected method. Next one is it is a default variable, right? So I am declaring the default method for that variable. Next one is in order to access the private variable, we should declare a private variable with a public method. We should create a public method by using the variable so that it is public method to access the private method. Here public void show private data. If we are not declaring this statement means we can't access the private members. So let me run this code. I am running this, I am saving this code and running. In console, I am printing name equal to Krishna, age equal to 22, and city equal to Hyderabad, and Aadhaar card number is. Suppose I am not declaring this private member. So I am commenting this line. So I am saving and again running. So even though I am not declaring it, it is coming right in the output. That is name equal to Krishna and age equal to 22 and city equal to Hyderabad and some other card number. So within the same class, it is accessing, right? So now I will show in another class. Here I have created a class with the name employee, and it is extending the properties of a person class. It is extending the properties of a person class. So in this I am creating public void display details. I am displaying the details. What are the details? System.out.println name and age and city and Aadhaar card. So I am uncommitting this line. So why it is getting error means private members are not accessible in other class. Private members are only accessible only within the class. So it is getting the error. So if I uncomment this, the errors will be gone. So in main app, I am printing. I have created the class main app and I am creating the object reference for the person class, that is person p equal to new person and show name, show age and show city and show private data. It is a method for accessing the private variables and I am printing the employee details also. In this program, I am saving and running the program. Run as Java application. I got the output that is Krishna, age 22, city Hyderabad, Aadhaar card number, and Krishna 22, Hyderabad. So in employee class, we are unable to access the private variable because private variable cannot be accessed. Okay. So this is the method public, and this is the method for protected access modifier, and this is the method for default access modifier, and it is for private access modifier. The real-time example is Instagram. Instagram. In that private members are password, comma, OTP like that. And next, protected means protected means close friends which we have to mention in our story. So those are said to be protected. And next, public means whatever the post which you are posting, those said to be public. And private, protected, and public. Next, default. Default means rules and regulations of Instagram app. So hope you understood. The real-time example for this is Instagram. That is, I have account that is private variable is a password or OTP, and protected means close friends which I have to mention in story, which next public post, that is default rules and regulations of Instagram. Okay, this is the program for the access modifiers. Hope you understood. Thank you.